Jai Hind friends, welcome to live class. Today we will start new chapter. In previous class we have completed cube and cube root. Hope students you all are completed on your notebook. So today we just going to start operation on algebraic expression. Operation on algebraic expression students, the meaning of the operation is how to we will add, how to subtract, multiply and divide. The meaning of operation is we will apply on algebraic expression. On algebraic expression, that means we should have a variable value like 2x, 3x, 4a, 5a, all this. Also you can take 2x plus 3, 4y plus 5, this way. These all are the algebraic form. And also this one is the algebraic expression. Students, first of all we want to tell this is also known as variable value. Variable value, that means if variable will attach to constant value, variable value attached to constant value means multiply, that it is a form of variable. 4x, 9y, these are variables. Why variables? Because we have taken the variable with them, and variable value is not fixed, we can change anytime this value. If we know value of x and y, suppose here 4x and we know 4x value is the 5, x value is 5. Now 4x, 4 multiply, what is the value of x? 5. We have written 5, then what we will get? 20. Now 4x, now we have got 20. But in constant value, like 4, 3, 2, 9, etc. These all are constant values. These all are constant value. Constant value never change, but variable value always change. Variable value always change, but constant value never change. Students, these all are known as 2x plus 3, 4y plus 5 expressions, algebraic expressions. Now, what we have discussed, 4x, 9y, these all are also variable values. For 4, 3, only numeric value, that is known as the constant value. Variable value we can change. How? When we are knowing that value of the variable, so we can multiply them, we can add them, whatever things we can do. So whatever answer, this will be different from the variable value. Like a 4x we have written, but now what we have got? 20. So it means variable value we can change, but constant value we never change. Clear students? Students, one more thing, like terms and unlike terms. As you know, like terms and unlike terms you have done on previous class. That means class 7 in fraction, as well as also there algebraic expression you have done. Again I am telling you, like terms and unlike terms. Suppose we have written 2x, 3y, 5a, 5x, 9y and 6a. These are values we have written. We should identify there how many values are with the variables, with the same variable. 2x is here, then in sequence we are running. So what we are getting? Y, A, X. Look. Numeric value are different, but variable value same. If variable value are same, that is known as that is the form of like terms. Means 2x and 5x, this is like terms. Similar, when we talk about the 3y and 9y, 3y and 9y is also like terms. 5a and 6a, this is also like terms. So like terms we can add and subtract. There is no boundation for multiplication, division, but there are boundation for addition and subtraction. When the variable value will in like term, then we can add. Means if you will add this one, 2x plus 5x, so what we get answer? 7x. 7x. Similar, 3y and 9y, what answer will come? 3y and 9y. 3y plus 9y, the answer will come 12. Regarding a, 5a plus 6a, that is 11. So students, you can see here, like terms when we are added, then we are getting the values 2x plus 5x, 7x, 3y plus 9y, that is 12y, 5a plus 6a, that is 11a. When we will add, these are different variables well, like 7x, then plus 12y plus 11. 7x plus 12y plus 11. See everyone, x here is y, here is a. Can possible to add them? No, not possible. Why? These all are having a different variables. These all are having a different variable. So we cannot add them. Okay students, what we have learned just now, like terms, when variables are same, then we can add them. 2x plus 5x, that is 7x, 3y plus 5 plus 9y, that is 12y, 5a plus 6a, that is 11a. But when we are adding them, like a 7x, 12y and 11a, we are not getting the add, because they have a different values. So students, now you have understood what are like terms and unlike terms. Now, next one, students, we just talk about in your exercise. First start from the example. Start from examples. The first example is given. Students, you can see from your book, there is given example 1. Example 1, there is given 6a plus 8b, 6a plus 8b minus 5c. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. Next question, there is given next expression 2b plus c minus, that is 4a. And next one is given a minus 3b, a minus 3b minus 2c. This one is given. Students, we want to, there is given, just add it. Students, how we will add? We should have they all have variables. 6a, a is a variable, 8b, b, c, b, c, a, here also is. We will add them. There are two procedures. First one vertical and second one is horizontal. Now students, you have a question. What sir is telling? Vertical and horizontal. Vertical, see everyone. Vertical form, it means these all value we will write such a way. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. Okay, first expression we have written. Second, 2bc minus 4a. Students, what we have told, like terms. We will see the like terms. first start from 2b, but here sequence start from the 6a. So 2b we will not keep here. We will match with its like star, where we are getting on 8b. So then below of it, we will keep 2b. And here sign is plus. So plus we will write. C, this is plus C on C side. But C, what numeric value having? We can write 1. If they are single given A, B, C, it means 1A, 1B, 1C we can write. Minus 4A, we will write here 4A. Next one, A, minus 3B, minus 2C. This is the vertical method. Means this form, if we are writing A, B and C, this form we are writing, this is called vertical method, vertical form. We want to add that plus. Here also only A is given, so we will write here 1A. Students, we have already done with their same variables A, B and C. Then how we will add them? Same procedure. Same procedure, students. 6A it is in plus, 1A it is in plus. So plus we will add them. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 minus 4, because plus and plus, students. Plus and plus, actually what we are doing, the function is f for function, we will do plus, but sign, but what sign should be? They also plus. Minus and minus, what function will do? Plus, but what will be sign? Minus. Clear, students? If one value is given plus and one value is minus, so what we will do? Plus, minus, we will do minus, that is function. Function we will do minus, but sign, it depends on the greater value. Depend on greater value. If greater value, like suppose I am giving example, plus 10 is here, and suppose 10 is here, it is in minus, and here is given plus 5. One is the minus, one is the plus. With different sign, all is minus. So 10 minus 10 plus 5, that is 5%. But how, what sign should be there? See, what we have written, greater value. So here is greater 10, 10 what have sign? Minus. So we put here minus. Students, again, minus 10 and plus 5. 10 having a minus and 5 plus. Minus plus we know minus. So we will do sign, we will do according to rule minus subtract that. So minus only we will get the 5 and also we will check the greater value. Which one is greater? Minus is greater, that is 10. So minus sign should be there. Regarding this, if we are changing the value with their sign, suppose we have written here 9 minus 18. Look, 9 is the plus and minus is the 18. So we know plus minus minus, so 18 minus 9, 9 will come. What should be sign? Sign is greater, so minus sign. I think students clear. If minus and plus is given, also this minus depend on the greater. This rule you will follow it. So here we will, with the help of this rules, 6a and 1a, that is 7a. 7a minus 4a, because 7a is plus and minus 4a, that is minus. But 7 is greater than 4. So we will do minus, because plus minus minus. But sign is depend on the greater value. Sign is 7. 7 is greater value. So 7 minus 4, that is 3a. It is in plus. It is in plus. Plus and plus, that is 8 to 10, 10b, 10 minus 3, then plus 7b. Here also depend on the greater value. 1 plus 1 minus 5 minus 2c. Minus 5 minus 2, that is minus 7. Minus 7c and plus 1c. Minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6c. Again students, I am telling 6a plus 1a, 7a. 7 minus 4, that is 3a. It is in plus because 7a is greater than 4a. 8 plus 2, that is both having the plus sign, can be 10 plus sign and minus 3b, that is negative sign. So plus sign is greater than minus First of all, and plus minus minus. So into 10, 10 minus 3, that is 7b, and plus 7. Minus 5, minus 2, minus 7, minus 7c, and plus 1c. So minus is greater here. So minus 6c will come. 7 minus 1, that is 6. 6c. It will be your answer. Students, now vertical method you are clear. Now we want to tell you horizontal method. Students, clear everyone? Just you can note this one. This is very important for you. Now what horizontal method? This is horizontal method. Keep this answer in your mind, because answer will not change. Answer will not change. Only procedure we are changing. 6a plus 8b minus 5c. This one is plus 2b plus 3 minus 4a plus a minus 3b minus 2c. We have written this way. This is a horizontal form. 6a plus 8b minus 5c plus sign is here, so no sign will change after open the bracket. Previous class, that is the class 7, we have told you if minus is here, so all sign will be changed, but here only plus, so on the case of plus sign, the sign will not change. Okay, students? So plus 2b plus c minus 4a plus here also plus, so no sign will change, a minus 3b minus 2c. Now what the student will take? Like terms. Like terms you will keep to one side. Start from a. 6a, there is the minus 4a. Next one is a plus a. That we can write 1a. 8b plus 2b minus 3b plus c minus 5c plus c, that is 1c minus 2c. This way. 6a minus 4a, that is 6 minus 4, 2a plus 1a. 8 plus 2, 10, 10b minus 3b minus 5 plus 1, that is the minus 4c and minus 2c. 2a plus 1a, that is 3a. 10b minus 3b, that is 7b minus 4c minus 2c, that is minus 6c. Sure, you can check your answer. I think same answer has come. 3a plus 7b minus 6c. So students, now we have understood horizontal method and vertical method. Okay, so now we discuss the second example. Just note it down here. Example third. Plus 2 you can do the same. So this is example number third. Example number third, there is given. First we have two questions. Till you just note it down here. Eight x square minus 5xy plus 3y square. Next expression, 2xy minus 6y square plus 3x square plus 3x square. Next one, next expression, y square plus xy minus, that is the 6x square. Hope everyone noted down this. So going to rough. Okay. Any method you can do, vertical as well as horizontal. It is depend on you. Okay, students, it is depend on you which method you are doing, all of you doing. Answer will come same, only the difference in the methods. We are doing here again vertical method. You can do all same things horizontal method, no problem. 8x square minus 5x square plus 3x square. Here first sequence is given x square, but here sequence is given x square. So we will see where is x square, this value 3x square. So 3x square will be right. Then this is x y. 2 plus 2xy and minus 6y square. Next one y square plus xy, that is 1xy and minus 6x square. We want to add them. Plus 8, 3, 11. First of all, see that all are in same variables or not? Having all are. Huh? Why we are writing 1? Because we can check the numeric value. 8, 3, 11 minus 6, 5x square. 5 minus 2 plus 1 plus. Okay. So 2 plus 1, 3. 3 and minus 5 minus 2xy. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 6, minus 2y square. That will be my answer. Okay students, 8x square plus 3, 11, 12 minus 6, 5x square. Minus 5 and plus 2 plus 1, that is 3, minus 5 plus 3, that is minus 2x square. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 minus 6, minus 2y square. Hope everyone clear this example. Just note it down everyone. Now going to start the exercise 6a. Example now, all of you understood. Now exercise A, the first question, same is given, we want to add them. So students, hope everyone noted. Exercise 1, exercise 6a. Exercise 6a. Question number 1. Question is given 8ab minus 5ab, 3ab and minus ab. Also we can say minus 1ab. Questions. Hope everyone noted. Going to love. 8ab minus 5ab, 3ab and minus 1ab. We want to add them. Both methods we are having. Vertical method, so we will do it this way. And horizontal method, 8ab plus minus 5ab plus 3ab and plus minus 1ab. Everyone noted this one? Okay students, 8 plus 3, 11. Yeah, 8 minus 5, 3. 3, 3, 6. 6 minus 1, 5. Again, 8 minus 5, 3. 3ab. 3 plus 3ab, 6ab. 6 minus 1, that is the 5. Or 8 plus 3, 11. And minus 5 minus 1 minus 6. So 11 minus 6, 5ab. Any way you can do. Here 8ab plus minus 5ab plus 3ab plus minus 1ab. 8ab minus 5ab, that is 3ab plus 3ab minus 1ab. So 3 plus 3, 6ab minus 1ab, that is the 5ab. Everyone can see both answers having the same. That means any method you will do, then you are getting the same answer. Everyone clear? Now question number 3. Note it down one. Question number 1. I am writing question number 3rd. 3a minus 4b plus 4c, 2a plus 3b minus 8c, a minus 6b plus c. Hope you have noted. Now I'm going to the vertical method. We are doing 3a minus 4b plus 4c, 2a plus 3b minus 8c, a minus 6b plus c, that is 1c and 1c. Okay, we want to add them. They are all same, what shall we check? And these are all positive sign, so we will add them. 3, 2, 5, 1, 6, 6, 8, minus 6 plus minus plus 6, 4, 10, minus 10 plus 3, minus 7b, and plus 4c and plus 1c, plus 5c and plus 5c minus 8c minus 3c. Ishwar, 3 plus 2, that is 5, plus 1, 6a, minus 4 minus 6 minus 10b, minus 10b plus 3b and minus 7b, plus 4c plus 1c, that 5c minus 8c, that is minus 3c. Okay students, I think clear. Now just note it down everyone. Question number 3rd. Now students, question number 5. Question number 5 is given. In question number 5, that is 6ax minus 2by plus 3cz students, I think everyone written. Going to log later. Directly we are writing on 6ax minus 2y plus 3cz, 6by minus 11x. Here students, you will see by should be on the side of by. So minus 6by. Okay students, minus not in minus, it is given plus 6by minus 11ax. Next minus cz means minus 1cz. Tan cz plus tan cz plus tan cz minus 2ax then minus 3by. We want to add then plus sign. You can see here 6ax in plus, other are minus. So 11 to 13, this is minus 13. This one minus 13. Minus 13 and plus 6. Minus value is greater, minus 13 plus 6. That is minus plus minus. So 13 minus 6, 7 ax. Minus 3 to 5. Minus 5 of by and plus 6by. So 1by plus 1by, that is by. We can write 3cz and tan cz both are in plus. So 10 plus 3, 13 and minus 1 plus 12cz. Okay students, it clear? Question numbers students, after that 7. Do everyone note it down. Question number 7. Hope everyone done. Question number 7. 6p plus 4q. 6p plus 4q minus r plus 3. This is sequence order. Regarding this sequence, you will write the expression. Next expression. Next expression start from 2r. Minus 2r should be here. Sorry, plus 2r minus 5p minus 5p, then minus 6 minus 6. This is 3 minus 6. There is no q value. So what will write in place of q? Plus 0. 0 into q, that is 0 will come. So if you will let this gap, it will be looking the order. So we should keep value, better just write this way, 0 into q at 0 value. Next one is given 11q minus 11q minus 7p plus 2r minus 1. 2r minus 1. Next one is given 2q minus 3r, 2q minus 3r minus 3r plus 4. Students, now you can check also your question number 7. P side, all of P is given, but on fourth expression there is no value. So similar what we have written here, like that 0p. Here 4, 0, 11, q, 2q, r is given 1r, okay, another r, clear. These are completed. Now going to add them. 6p minus 5 minus 7 minus 12p minus 12p plus 6p, then minus 6p because minus is greater, and 12 minus 6 always 6 will come. 11 is of plus 11 plus 4 14, sorry 15, 15 plus 2 17. 17p. Here minus 1r plus 2r plus 2r plus 2r plus 2r, that is the 4r, and minus 1r minus 3r, that is minus 4r. If value or variable same but the sign is different, so always answer will come 0. How? Student, suppose here minus 3r and plus 3r. What we have told? Variable value are same but sign are different. So minus plus, we know that minus, when we do minus 8, 3r minus 3r, so it will be cut, that means 0 will come. That is 0. Here we can see 2r plus 2r, that is 4r, minus 3r minus 1r, that is minus 4r. So the answer will come 0 plus 0r plus 4 and plus 3, that is the 4 plus 3 is 7, minus 6 minus 1, this is also minus 7. Here also same thing we are getting, plus 7 and minus 7. What answer will come? 0. Now what answer will be? Minus 6p plus 17q. Other than 0, so no need to write. Okay, so our answer will be 6 minus 6p plus 17q. It will be your answer. Minus 6p plus 17q. Okay, students. So up till 7 we have done, students. Today we have discussed algebraic expressions, what means of operations, what means of algebraic expressions, like terms, unlike terms, and how we will add them with example and questions of exercise. We have up till 7 we have done. Now your homework, question number 1 to question number 8. Okay, it will be question number 1 to question number 8. You have to note it down on your copy with notes. Notes is given. We will send you notes, or you can see on the things to remember. Clear, students? So today whatever you have learned, you will practice. If you have doubt, you can ask in your question answer session. So students, hope everyone clear whatever I have told today. Next class we will discuss its subtraction part, because today we have discussed its addition part. Okay students, so take care students. Thank you students and Jai Hind.